Radar Wallet can ensure all common users participate in the global transfer payment, currency exchange, collection, and withdrawal easily. The operation process is simple. The user should first register an account in Radar Wallet, and then add the currency gateway needed. For example, Mr. Wang is in China and he needs to remit renminbi 10,000 yuan to his son studying abroad in America. In the traditional remittance mode, for example Western Union, the International Urgent Remittance Service, Mr. Wang needs to first change the renminbi 10,000 yuan into US dollars and pay $25 as the charge for remittance. Moreover, the arrival time will be 3 to 5 days. In the case of Radar Wallet, Mr. Wang only needs to recharge renminbi 10,000 yuan to Radar Wallet through the Trustful CNY gateway, and then transfer US dollars to the Radar Wallet of his son through the transfer function of the wallet. Mr. Wang's son can withdraw money through the Trustful US dollar gateway in America, which only needs several seconds and nearly no cost.